Hi everyone, my name is Jocelyn Cortez, and the topic that we do is freelance graphic designer. This tailor BMS for a tech-savvy freelance graphic designer emphasizes the importance of strategic partnership, value creation, client relationship, efficient operation, and revenue generation in building a successful graphic. Key partners: software providers for design tools, essential partners for assessing and utilizing design, software necessary for the graphic design work. The next one is freelance platform for project opportunities, platform that connect the freelance graphic designer with potential client and projects. Printing companies for physical design projects, partners for executing and delivering physical design projects to clients. Key activities: designing digital and print materials for clients. The core activity of creating visual content for clients across digital and print mediums. Marketing services to attract new clients. Activities focus on promoting the designer's services to attract new client opportunities. Continuous learning to stay updated on design trends. Ongoing professional development to stay current with industry trends and technologies. Key resources: high-speed internet connection, essential for communication, research, and project delivery in digital realm. Design, software, and tools. Necessary resources for creating and editing visual content efficiently. Portfolio showcasing past work. A key resource for demonstrating the designer's skills and expertise to potential clients. Value proposition: high quality and creative design solutions, offering unique and innovative design solutions that meet clients' needs and expectations. Quick turnaround time for project, providing efficient and timely delivery of design projects. Personalized approach to client needs, tailoring design services to meet the specific requirements and preferences of each client.
Good day everyone, my name is Chriselle Garcia and I'm going to continue our presentation. Customer relationships, it has a regular communication with clients, this maintaining open lines of communication to ensure client satisfaction and project alignment. Feedback and collection Feedback collection and incorporation, gathering feedback to improve services and incorporate client suggestion. Building long-term of partnership with clients, furthering relationship with clients for repeating business and referrals. Now let's move on to channels. Channels has a freelance platform like Upworks and Fiverr platform for finding freelance project and connecting with client globally. Social media platform for showcasing works, channels for displaying portfolio pieces and attracting potential clients. Networking events and design conferences, opportunities to network with industry professionals and potential clients. And we have customer segments. It is small businesses in need of branding materials, targeting small businesses requiring branding and designing services. Startup looking for a logo and branding design, like categorizing to startup seeking branding solutions and establishing their identity. So, individual seeking personalized design services, providing customized design services for individual clients with specific needs. We also have cost structure, which have software subscription for design tools, recruiting cost for accessing and using design softwares. It has a marketing and advertising expenses, investment in promoting services and reaching a wider audience. Professional development and training cost associated with continuous learning and skills enhanced. Last is revenue streams. Project-based fees for design work incoming generated for one-time design projects for clients. Retaining fees for ongoing design services. Regular income for clients for continuous design services. Commission for referrals of affiliate partnership, additional revenue sources for referring collaborations.